Very good morning. How are you?
Yeah, yeah, great. What about you?
I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you
Welcome
in
again.
India? Which part are you in India?
Yeah, yeah, I'm from Kashmir.
Okay, you are from Kashmir. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Where are you from?
I am from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Have you heard about Odisha?
Yeah. I know
Oh,
every 28 states.
okay.
Yeah,
Are you a
Odisha.
student or are you working?
Yeah, you can say student like for government job
Okay,
from last 1 year. But
okay.
I completed my master's in computer science.
Oh my goodness. Have you completed your BTech, right?
Yeah, M Tech
M-
masters.
MTech. Okay, master.
Masters. Yeah,
Yes, I
and what about you?
I completed my graduation.
Oh,
Okay,
nice. And what are you doing right now?
right now I'm talking with you, but do you want to know
Yeah,
about my profession?
about your profession. My point was regarding your profession.
Yeah, I don't do anything. I'm unemployed.
Why?
I am unemployed. Why means right now, if I ask you why you are unemployed, right now you are preparing competitive exam, right?
Yeah.
What kind of competitive exam are you preparing?
Like state level, you can say state level civil service.
Okay, UPSC state.
No state, no state.
Okay,
Jammu Kashmir administrative service.
yeah, I got it. Is a
Like
state service,
state quota,
right?
under state quota.
Yeah, I got your point. But is it your first attempt or have you appeared before?
Yeah, I appeared in January this year.
Okay, did you get
But due to
result? Did you?
little margin,
Okay,
due
did
to
you get?
little margin,
Mhm.
due to little with some at the side didn't qualify.
Okay, I got your point. You qualified your preliminary exam. You have written your main exam on March. In March, right?
No generation.
January. Okay.
Yeah, this
And advance all the best as soon as
thank
possible.
you, thank
Yes, you get the
thank you so
result.
much.
Where you
And
want to
what
reach, you reach your destination. Yeah, definitely
thank
you
you,
get,
thanks.
because you do hard work and you did hard work. Definitely you crack that exam and you succeed.
Yes, I am hopeful, I am hopeful.
Yes, definitely.
Definitely I will and it will be
Yeah, because you have a
unbelievable,
good degree.
unbelievable success.
Yeah, because you have a degree,
Because
you are well
I
qualified,
got
you
health
have
issue.
a
I
master
got health
degree.
issue during bachelor's.
Right,
During
you have a good degree on your hand and you complete
yeah,
your master, then it is easy for you to crack that exam, right? Because if you
yeah,
know how to write subjective and you have a
yeah,
good
descriptive,
writing speed, then definitely you
yeah,
crack that
descriptive
exam.
post. But as I mentioned, it will be unbelievable. It will be unbelievable success. Like I got health issue during bachelor's, bachelor's and settle I am facing.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Settle I am facing health issue.
Okay.
But due to I think
Mm-hmm.
God bless me with some patience. Otherwise, it is
Definitely, because
very difficult
yes, okay, I got to know, because self
during
motivation
bachelor's.
is also required.
I got health issue. I got very serious health issue,
Okay, what
and I continue
what
and like back pain
okay. Mm-hmm.
during second semester of my bachelor's.
Okay.
It is why I'm telling it will be unbelievable.
Right now, do you feel
Success.
well? Right now, do you feel well?
Yeah, but sometimes I'm facing this managing it is no problem.
Okay, I got your point.
Facing if I
Mm-hmm.
don't take medicine,
Mm-hmm.
then I'm facing whole day I'm facing pain.
Mhm. Okay.
That is why
But
I am telling you.
you should
It was
take,
the mighty grace of God. I have some patience. Otherwise, it was very difficult to do graduation, do masters,
Mhm.
get master, get graduation, and
Yeah, because
get practitioner also.
you should take advice from doctor and you take
Yeah,
medicine regularly.
I visited a
Definitely
lot of.
you will be recover soon and you will be cured.
Hey,
Definitely you start
I
to the
visited a
medicine.
lot of doctors, and yet
Mhm.
I took a lot of medicine.
Yeah, I got your point. And
And why why are you unemployed? Are you prepared for
why
any government
I
job? Or,
yeah, it is a good question for me. And you asked me why am I unemployed, right? It is
yeah,
your question. It is a good question because sometime what happen unemployed means if we don't satisfy any job and you
yeah,
leave that job, then you become a unemployed, right? Or if
yeah,
you can't satisfaction, if you do any kind of job and you are not satisfied that job, if you feel that profession, that work is you never feel good or you never feel
good, yeah, and
satisfied,
interested,
yeah, interested, then
interested.
definitely you leave that job and you think my I want to do in a different way, right? I want to
Other
help the people in
other
different
job,
way. Yeah, that right now you appeared a state exam, right? And
yeah,
state exam you want to help the people, needy people, right? And
yeah,
if
yeah,
you succeed, and definitely you go to root level and you help them unconditionally, right? If you
yeah,
condition and you tell I want to only get a handsome salary and I don't need to help the needy people, then that is a different way. Or if you
yeah,
never focus your handsome salary, or you always think I want to help the people, and you get that seat and you cannot get chance to help perfectly.
people,
Yeah,
people, yeah,
someone they disturb you to help, right? Can
yeah,
you understand what I wanna tell you? I want to tell you the politician and you administrative officer, right? They both are
yeah,
opposition, both are opposite party, because
yeah,
politician they never focus your government rule regulation, right? They tell you you have to do that work, otherwise you get means unexpected transfer or unexpected situation. They create this kind of situation, right? Then you
yeah,
want to help the people and you cannot do it because you know what is illegal, right? They are telling is a different and you want to do different, then that's why
different,
you
yeah,
always frustration your professional life, right?
yeah,
Because you don't
yeah,
feel well, you don't feel well, you cannot do it anything, you cannot take action in favor of anyone, right? And against
yeah,
anyone, then that's when what you will do it, you take action on yourself, right? You think okay, I cannot help the needy people, then why I need this kind of job, I leave this job, right? Because you
yeah, yeah,
cannot do it opposite party, I mean to say in a politician or different people, right? Toxic
yeah,
people, if you get a toxic environment or toxic people on your work, then definitely you think also I cannot do it because someone refuse, someone disturb
yeah,
to help the people, then what will you do, right? Because you take
yeah,
action against you, you cannot take action against someone, right? Anyone. This kind of
yeah,
unemployed increase day by day. What is unemployed? You are highly qualified. Right now, you have completed your degree, master degree, right? If I tell you,
yeah,
if you go and you do in clerical job, you sit on the clerical chair, then you never feel good, right? You always
yeah,
consider, you always think I am a well educated, I have a highly degree on my hand. I completed my master and I am sitting on the 10th standard and 12th standard seat, right? And
Yeah.
I because my qualification tells me to give order to other employee, but I am taking order, right? Then this kind of environment sometimes increase unemployed because people, they are highly qualified, they never get job according to their means course or their qualification,
Course,
right?
qualification.
Qualification, they never get this kind of job. That's why they always searching in a different type of work. They want to help the needy people, they know deeply about how they want to change the world. I'm not talking about
Environment, yeah.
country. You want to
Environment.
provide your service unconditionally to the country, you want to help the needy people, but you get toxic environment and you cannot do it, right? If you get a state, if you succeed state commission board or exam and you sit a high post and you cannot do it on your way, right? You want to do
Yeah, as
something
for
and you get a
as for yeah.
then how can you do it? These kind of highly qualified people, they never get a satisfaction professional life, right? Mismatch their profession, their qualification, both are mismatch, and they get frustration. That's why they also leave the job and
Living job, yeah.
yeah, they left the job and they
But
increase
we should try. We should try.
yeah
We
I
should try to change. Yeah,
want
it will. It take time. It
yeah.
takes time.
Yeah, you are right.
But we
It
should
takes
try.
time, but qualified people, they want to do in a different way, right? They never always focus their salary, right? Some people, they focus salary, they want
Yeah,
to
because of
help
their
people.
passion. Because of their passion.
Yeah, and some people, they
Because of
want
their
to
passion.
help the people, they want to do in different way. That's why different people have a different mindset, right?
Mindsets, yeah.
I'm searching in a different way to do something. Let's see what happened, but I don't want to disclose here. I have a so many long-term goal and short-term goal. That's
Okay,
why
okay.
I
Nice,
want
nice,
to.
nice.
That's why I want to
Nice.
enhance my English speaking, and it is a
I would
mandatory
like
for me.
to wish you all the best.
Thank you. Yeah, definitely. And even though you see, okay, how long have you been using this platform? Tell me.
If from last 25 days, from 25 days,
Okay.
I am using every day.
Mhm. Do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with the co-learner?
No, no, no. Actually, it was my passion during school.
Okay,
But as you know, here our native language is different.
right. You are right.
But through YouTube video, conversation video, in that video,
Mhm. Right,
I came to everything that I properly found.
right. And this
Then
kind
I
of
downloaded
platform is
and
good for
I
us. Yeah, this kind of platform is
yeah,
good for us because we
yeah,
don't have
it beneficial.
atmosphere, right? We have to create an atmosphere through platform. At least we
Yeah,
get
yeah,
chance to interact with co-learner because right now I don't know your Kashmir language. You don't know my native language. Still, we
yeah,
are
yeah.
talking each other through English
Because of
language,
this,
right?
this
If we
communication
never
skill,
practice regularly and if
you
we
are
never
under.
do 10 to 20 minutes regularly, then we may lose our fluency and confidence. That's why we have to
Yeah,
interact with anyone 10 to 20 minutes
yeah.
per day.